Hello, Chairman McKay and supervisors. I'm Heather and I live in Fairfax, and I love it so much. I've been here for 30 years. Today, I wanted to tell you thank you for proclaiming March 2025 as Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities Inclusion Month. Fairfax is a really good place to live if you have a disability. You all make sure people with disabilities can have services and a good life. We must keep doing this. It matters. I work with ServiceSource. They help me be successful in my job and are available when I need them in my concierge work. In 2024, I was given an Employee of the Year award from them and got to walk the red carpet. It was just incredible. These are the kinds of opportunities that you all build when you ensure our Fairfax graduates are funded for day and employment services. I am an advocate too. I met Jerry Conley and he sent me a letter of congratulations for my award. When Actions Alert comes out, I am there to speak and respond. I want to do my part to make the world better for everyone. I am worrying about people now who may lose Medicaid or other services they need. I worry about some of the things being said about people with disabilities, but I know the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors will never stop fighting to make sure our community is valued and included. We must do this together. Thank you again for this proclamation and what you do to keep Fairfax an inclusive, accessible, and diverse community.